Hey there, folks. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to share with you a fascinating creature, the incredible elephant bird. Get ready to be blown away as we dive into the captivating world of this massive avian wonder. Elephant birds are extinct flightless birds belonging to the order Epiornithiformes that were native to the island of Madagascar. It was one of the largest birds to have ever existed. They are thought to have become extinct by around 1260 CE. These birds were enormous, with some reaching heights of over 10 feet, 3 meters, and weighing up to 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms. They had a long neck, sturdy legs, and small wings. The elephant bird is notable for its large, thick-shelled eggs, which were the largest known bird eggs in the world. Fossilized eggs have been discovered, some with a volume equivalent to about 150 chicken eggs. These eggs were likely incubated in ground nests. Due to factors such as hunting and habitat loss, the elephant bird population gradually declined and eventually became extinct. Today, evidence of the elephant bird can be found through fossils, bones, and egg fragments, providing insight into the unique avian fauna of the past.